Hi guys, Amy Borda here for a little tutorial on merengue steps so that you can follow me or any Zumba class that you go to and feel more familiar with the steps. So I'm going to break down the steps for you, and every week I'll try to do a different tutorial. Let me know if you like this one. So the first step that we're going to do is the merengue march, which is exactly what it says. March, so you march. The count of merengue is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now once you have the march, right, you're gonna start moving your hips. Don't force them, let them go naturally as you lift your foot a little bit off the floor. You're not gonna do this exaggerated like that, so just very slightly, you're gonna march and you let the hips go side to side. So you see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you have that, you'll notice that we throw a couple of different variations of arms. We can go side to side. We can go up. We can bring them out and up. So whatever it is that we do with the arms, the important part is that you have the feet, okay? The feet motion, which is side to side like this, marching. We can do side to the side in 2 counts of 4. So this will be 2 counts. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Or we can do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still marching. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to 2. And now keep it just going, the merengue march. All right. We can turn with it too, right? And to the other side. So that's the merengue march. This one also has a variation of a wider stance, so you can throw the hips side to side like this with your feet wide and bring it back in. You can even combine out and in, out and in. All the same count. The other one that we're going to do is the side to side merengue, which is you take the feet out, bring them back in, out, bring them back in, one at a time. So the count is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes we call it also 6 count merengue or 6 count step, because if you really count it all together, both parts, it comes to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you count it like that. But it takes 4 counts to do each, with the beat of the music. So that's that. You can also cross. And that's how it looks like if you cross your feet. Or you can just stay simple here, side to side. And the third step, and I'm going to turn around so you can see it from the back. All 3 of them is the Beto shuffle. So you go side, side, and then double. So you do single, single, double. So you see what I'm doing with the arms? Side, side, kind of diagonal, and then double. But you're going to move your body with it. Double, single, single. Now to move, you're going to add the feet, and everything is aligned in one direction. So the toes with the knees, with the hips, everything in one direction. And you can travel with that step. You want to see? So it's single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. The other side. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. You can travel to the side and add a leg up or a knee up to spice it up a little bit. You can stay in place and go up and down like this. Just doing that same shuffle. And those are the breakdown of the steps. I'm going to turn around. We're going to do all 3 of them back to back. First one is the march, merengue march. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little faster because merengue songs tend to be fast. And then we're going to do the out and in, side to side. Ready? slow would be, are you ready for slow? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And faster. And faster once you get comfortable with it. Back to march. Don't stop marching. Let's try opening again. Ready? Out, in. Out, in. 2 more. And now Beto shuffle. Single, single, double. Single, taking it slow. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. And all 3 steps. Of course, when you do songs in Zumba, you're gonna notice that we combine it with other rhythms. So some of the merengue songs might have a little reggaeton in them, a little bachata, a little belly dance. But the basic steps are the ones that you just saw. And if you practice them, when you go to your classes, you'll feel way more familiar. And I will see you next week for the next tutorial. Hope you enjoyed this one. Bye. Ciao.